Today again I'll do unboxing, demo and review of an electronic item which we recently purchased. Lockdown has been very difficult for us as domestic helpers are not allowed in apartments. For a while, my family members have been washing the dishes every day, but it is impossible because they have to go to work. After much research online, we have bought Bosch dishwasher. You will find explanation, demo and my final verdict on this product. So let's begin. The demo was given by technician who came for installation. I am just simplifying it in my own way. This is 12 plate setting dishwasher. The water tap should always be turned on. When the dishwasher is switched on, it takes water according to the program selected. You can see a red light on the display. Right there. It means salt and rinse aid chamber are empty. Fill them. This is the salt chamber. Clean the filter every week. Even this spray hand is needed to be washed for every 15 days. Only lower spray hand is removable. Then fix it back. Pour rinse aid in that chamber. It adds shine to utensil. 100 ml rinse aid lasts for 7 washes only. The chamber beside it is detergent chamber. You can add tablet or detergent. You can use tablet. It contains all 3 items. Or if not, you use detergent, salt and rinse aid. Look, we added rinse aid and there is no red light in the display channel. This is the bottom rack. It is ideal for large pots, pans and dinner plates. Those are flexible so you can just push them down and use that space for large utensils. Always check the spray hand to make sure nothing is blocking its way. In the upper rack you can keep glasses, bowls, cups, spoons, etc. Top rack is adjustable. This dishwasher is equipped with 6 programs. Intensive Kadai program is used when dishes are heavily soiled, like extremely burnt. In this program, very hot water, which is up to 70 degrees Celsius, is used for cleaning. Express Sparkle program not only cleans the utensils, but it also makes them shine. In auto mode, sensors are used and it detects the amount of dirt with the help of sensors and use water and time accordingly. Then we have Eco program where temperature is 50 degrees. It uses less electricity than auto program. Then we have Quick program where temperature is 45 degrees but time taken is only 30 minutes. Rinse. Cold rinsing takes place. Time taken is only 15 minutes. Utensils are not washed in this program. You can use the plus minus button to set the time. For example, if your water comes only in the morning and evening. So with plus minus, you can change the time. Friends, now I am going to explain you various functions. Switch it on. This is the Vario Echo function. Vario Echo will extend the time. The running time is extended for optimum cleaning and drying results. Next is half load. If you are having only few utensils, then press the half load. It will save water, energy and time. Use less detergent when you are using half load function. Place your utensils in the lower rack when you are using half load function. Next is extra drying function. Extra drying function will increase the temperature and will dry the utensils even more. There will be a slight increase in the energy consumption. Now I will tell you how to change the settings. Press echo and start together. Hey, can you see H04 on the screen? With help of plus minus button, we can increase or decrease the value. If you want to change the other setting, just press echo button again and again. Look, from H it changed to R. From R to P. For P00, the machine does not switch off automatically. For P01, appliance switches off after 1 minute. For P02, appliance switches off after 120 min. After changing the values, press the start button to save it. These are few things which are used in dishwasher. Here we have tablets, rinsed, salt, use as you wish. Tablets are expensive, but in lockdown it was difficult to find, so whatever was available, we purchased it. My mom is adding salt in the salt chamber. The water is already added. You can use any brand dishwasher as they do the same work. Bosch was the only brand available in nearby electronic shop. They have similar dimension except for the technology and control panel. Some have touchscreen control panel. Now I am going to show you the placement of utensils. We can also place a cooker in it. Look how dirty it is. No need to pre-rinse the dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. My advice is just scrape off the heavy stuff and load it in the dishwasher. One thing you want to avoid is nesting. All of your dishes should face inwards. If something fits in the dishwasher, it belongs in it. Place large pans on the side of the rack. Even heavily soiled pots and pans or big utensils should be placed in the lower rack. One more cooker is placed on the top rack. It is smaller in size. If we place aluminium in it, it will have discoloration issue. Don't place plastic unless it is a high quality one. The utensils that are placed in microwave can also be placed in the dishwasher. The top rack can be adjustable to accommodate utensils of different sizes. All programs are designed keeping Indian cooking habits in mind. This Bosch dishwasher heats water up to 70 degrees, killing 99.9% germs and bacteria and giving you a hygienic wash. That's not possible in case of hand wash. It uses 9 liters of water per wash. Your dishes are shining and sparkling after the wash. This utensil is not properly cleaned, so you will have to scrub it once again by yourself. Look, cooker is properly cleaned. It is just a little wet inside. This basket is given with dishwasher. You can place extra knives and spoons in it. Now I am going to show you the electricity cost of using this appliance. It may vary depending on the program selected and cost of electricity in your area. If you are in a small family and you have to use it only once, then it's fine. Consumables will cost less and the electricity bill will also be less. But if you are in a big family and you have to use it twice, then it will be slightly expensive. So now that you have watched the entire video, it's time for the final verdict. Dishwasher is expensive, no doubt. But in today's scenario, we have to buy one. Can't take the risk of calling domestic helpers. Bye-bye. Like, share,